Unbelievable engineering leaks have just completely shattered everything we thought was physically possible for micro drones under 249 grams. What you're looking at right now is not just another incremental refresh, but a complete generational shift that is sending shockwaves straight through the entire aerial photography industry. Insiders from deep within supply chain facilities have leaked confidential blueprints detailing the long-awaited DJI Mini 6 Pro, and the specs on paper look so aggressive that industry veterans are questioning if this machine can even stay within legal flight limits. We're talking about a sub-249G ultralight chassis somehow packing a 1-inch stack CMOS sensor, true 6K video processing, and a mechanical variable aperture, technologies that were strictly reserved for heavy, cinematic flagship drones just months ago. If these leaks hold true, the gap between consumer travel drones and $10,000 Hollywood production setups has officially closed forever. TO understand why pilot communities across the United States are panicking. You first have to realize what DJI is attempting with this internal camera housing redesign. Many drones have historically suffered from massive rolling shutter artifacts and severe dynamic range compression whenever shooting high-speed action or harsh backlit sunsets. The leaked schematics confirm the adoption of a revolutionary stacked CMOS architecture. By stacking the pixel array directly on top of the signal processing circuit, memory readout speeds are boosted by over 400%. This means high-speed horizontal tracking shots through dense power lines or thick forest foliage will no longer produce jello distortions or slanted vertical lines. You get instantaneous frame-by-frame sensor clearance that delivers crystal clear clarity rivaling cinema-grade ground systems. The real crown jewel buried inside these factory documents is the inclusion of a mechanical physical variable aperture ranging from f/1.7 down to f/11. For years, ultralight drone pilots were trapped using fixed f/1.7 lenses, forcing them to land and physically snap on dark neutral density filters every single time the sun passed behind a cloud. With a motor-driven physical diaphragm built directly into the micro gimbal, the drone can now dynamically adjust optical light intake mid-flight while keeping your shutter speed locked at the perfect golden hour motion blur angle. When flying from a dark indoor shadow out into blinding midday sunlight, the aperture adjusts fluidly in real time, without clipping high-brightness highlight details or blowing out skies. Pushing raw video recording up to 6K resolution inside an airframe lighter than an apple poses an immense thermodynamic challenge. Leaked interior cross-sections reveal a custom vapor chamber heat dissipation architecture molded straight into the carbon composite frame arms. Instead of relying solely on heavy copper heat sinks that add a legal weight, the entire internal body shell acts as an active heat radiator cooled by intake air microducts placed near the prop mounts. This passive suction system pulls cool air over the image processing chip during high-speed forward movement, letting the Mini 6 Pro record continuous 10-bit D-Log-M footage at high bit rates without thermal throttling or auto shutdown safety locks kicking in. Flight dynamics and obstacle avoidance are taking a massive leap forward thanks to next-generation AI processing cores coupled with low-light optical sensors. Previous generations relied strictly on basic visual vision sensors that struggled during twilight flights or foggy environmental conditions. The Mini 6 Pro schematics highlight an upgraded omnidirectional vision array featuring dedicated night vision infrared illumination modules. This allows the onboard trajectory system to paint a full real-time, three-dimensional map of obstacles up to 30 meters away, even in complete darkness. High-speed automated subject tracking can now aggressively weave through intricate forest branches or city structures at night, without risking catastrophic collisions. Powering all these high-draw sensors and high-resolution cameras requires an entirely redesigned power delivery system. Industry reports point toward high-density silicon-anode battery chemistry, making its debut in this ultra-compact lineup. Traditional lithium polymer packs hit a hard capacity ceiling per gram, but silicon-anode technology increases energy density B. Why nearly 30% without increasing physical pack dimensions? Leaked test logs suggest realistic hover times stretching past 45 continuous minutes on standard packs, with Flight Plus battery configurations pushing close to an unbelievable 55-minute flight envelope. This gives professional creators unprecedented sky time to execute complex multi-angle automated flight moves without landing to swap batteries every 20 minutes. Transmission stability is another critical area where the Mini 6 Pro completely redefines expectations for small aircraft. Operating on the updated 05 digital transmission protocol, the drone leverages multi-band dynamic frequency switching across high-frequency bands simultaneously. In dense urban environments choked with signal interference from Wi-Fi routers and cellular towers, the 05 system creates an ultra-resilient communication link. Live video feeds are pushed back to the controller display in ultra-low latency. Uncompressed 1080p at 60 frames per second over line-of-sight distances exceeding 20 kilometers. Pilots can fly behind concrete structures with confidence, knowing the signal pipeline maintains unbreakable handshakes with ground controls. From a body shell perspective, DJI has completely re-engineered folding motor arms and rotor ergonomics to maximize aerodynamic efficiency. The new swept-wing blade design incorporates sound-dampening winglets at the prop tips, cutting high-frequency blade hum by noticeable decibels. This whisper-quiet acoustic footprint allows creators to capture intimate wildlife footage or discrete urban shots without drawing unwanted attention or disturbing pedestrians. Reinforced titanium hinge pivots guarantee long-term durability over thousands of rapid deployments, ensuring the folding joints maintain rigid zero-play alignment even after harsh landings. Software intelligence has evolved beyond simple waypoint flying into true predictive cinematic composition. Powered by an expanded neural processing engine, the Mini 6 Pro analyzes framing compositions in real time, offering instant Hollywood-level camera movements at the press of a button. The system recognizes human subjects, moving vehicles, and aquatic vessels, maintaining cinematic rule-of-thirds alignment regardless of sudden target speed changes. Automated orbit tracking, helical climbs, and high-speed chase modes execute with fluid, organic joystick response curves that eliminate robotic-looking camera turns entirely. However, the launch of such a feature-packed drone comes amid intense regulatory shifts across Western markets, especially in North America. U.S. regulatory bodies and supply chain tariffs are closely monitoring advanced drone components, making compliance a massive priority for global distribution.